In today's video, we will start with atomic mass. Okay. So atomic mass, generally we know that atoms are very small in size. In last class I told you about it. So since atoms are very small in size, it is difficult to measure their mass in kg. Generally kg is the unit with the help of which we measure mass, but atoms are small, so that is why it is difficult to measure the mass in kg. So that is why we are using a different unit called atomic mass unit. In short we say AMU, or that is nowadays it is only written as U. This is a unit to measure masses of different atoms. Alright, now what is AMU? How much is its value? So to get that, we will consider a reference element which is carbon 12. Generally carbon in nature we get two types of carbon. One is carbon 12, the other one is carbon 14, but now we are not talking about it. We are talking about only carbon 12. Okay. So carbon 12, we know that atoms are generally spherical in shape. So carbon 12 is an atom. The shape is a spherical one. We are considering the shape of carbon 12 with a watermelon. Okay. So suppose this watermelon, this is carbon 12. And what we are doing is we are dividing this carbon 12 into 12 equal parts like this, and from this 12 part we are taking only one part, and that one part will have some mass. That mass is equal to 1 AMU. Alright, clear? Now instead of one part, if we take two part, what will be the mass then? It will be 2 AMU. If we take three part, mass will be 3 AMU. In this way, if we take all these 12 parts, mass will be 12 AMU. And if we take all the 12 parts, that means we are taking the whole atom, right? That means the mass of one carbon 12 atom is how much? 12 AMU, right? So that's what is mentioned here. In this table you can see certain name of certain elements and their masses. In which unit? In atomic mass unit, U. Okay, in short we write U. See, hydrogen mass is how much? 1 U. Carbon, just now I told, carbon 12 mass is how much? 12 U. Nitrogen 14 U. Oxygen 16 U. So in that way you have to remember the masses of these elements. Alright. Now see, 1 AMU, the definition will be this one. Just a second, this definition, it is given in your book. One atomic, this one atomic mass unit is the mass of is a mass unit equal to exactly 1/12 the mass of one atom of carbon 12. That means carbon 12 we are taking, we are dividing this carbon 12 into 12 parts. Out of this 12 part we are taking one part, and the mass of that one part is equal to 1 AMU, or 1 atomic mass. That's what is written here. Okay, so this definition you can write when you are asked that what is AMU. Alright, so if you are asked what is AMU, you just don't write the full form of it. AMU means atomic mass unit. No, if you are asked that what is AMU, you have to write this definition. Okay, now this table is your homework. You will learn this. Two questions are given here. Define atomic mass unit. So atomic mass unit, just now I told that this is the definition, so you can see it from your book. Number 2, why is it not possible to see atoms with naked eye? Certainly atoms cannot be seen with naked eyes because these are very minute particles, very small particles. Okay. Then what is molecule? So we discussed about atom. Now let us see what is molecule. So molecule means two or more atoms when combined chemically gives us molecule. It is written here, a molecule is a general group of two or more atoms when they are combined chemically gives us a molecule. Suppose if I write O, that O is what? It is the oxygen atom. If I write H, this is the hydrogen atom. But when they get combined chemically, it gives us H2O. This is not a molecule, this is not a atom, but this is a molecule, H2O. Alright. Similarly, if I write ammonia, ammonia means it is NH3. N means it is nitrogen atom. One nitrogen atom, three hydrogen atom combining together to gives us one molecule of what? of ammonia, NH3. So remember, in molecule we will get 2 or more atoms. Okay, suppose instead of O is an atom, right, oxygen atom. If I write O2, then that is a molecule, because here 2 atoms are combined, O2. So when 2 or more atoms are combining, it may be of same type, it may be of different type, then we are getting a molecule. So O2 is the oxygen molecule. When I write H, it is oxygen atom, because only one is there. But as soon as I write H2, it is the oxygen, hydrogen molecule. If I write only H, it is only hydrogen atom. H2 means hydrogen molecule. Alright, so I hope the concept of atoms and molecule is clear. So if it is clear, in next class we will discuss about this table, this one, and then ions. Okay, very important part of this chapter. Thank you.